You ready?
All right.
Let's do it. It was brought to our attention that the Bella Vista Animal Shelter just really has a need for a facelift. So Jenny and I are going to fix up this animal shelter. We want to give back to them in any way we possibly can.
This is it.
Needs a little love.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey, Lori, how's it going?
Hey, thank you so much for being here.
This is so
We
exciting.
Appreciate it.
So, Lori, how many animals do you have come through here every year?
It's around 800 dogs and cats.
800 animals. Wow.
I'm Laurie May. I am the shelter manager at the Bella Vista Animal Shelter. We have 6 full-time staff members, but also we have amazing volunteers.
I love the Bella Vista Animal Shelter because they will give every animal a chance.
I think this renovation will help with increasing adoption rates. The holidays are big times for adoptions, so to get done as quickly as possible would be nice for the animals so they can find happy homes to go into.
So you've got several buildings and spaces here for the animals.
Yes.
You've got the office, you've got the dog kennel, a spot for the animals to be dropped off at, storage sheds, and a place for people to spend time with the animals. What can we do? How can we help?
One of our big needs is storage, to store our blankets, our towels, our laundry detergent, our food, things like that. We're looking for something a little more secure. Right now, mice are able to get in, raccoons.
Okay, so we need some storage that critters can't get into.
We'll find something.
All right. And then this area where the dogs get dropped off, would it be okay if we even did something on the side to make this more visually appealing?
Oh, that would be great.
All right, we'll do that.
Our office is where people first come in. Want to keep the siding,
Low maintenance.
yes, but it would be nice to have it brightened up a little bit.
We could do some shutters and some window boxes.
Window box, yes.
And then what if we build a little portico to protect people from the rain and sun when they're walking in?
Oh, that'd be
Yeah.
amazing.
We want to encourage more people to come and adopt from the shelter. So we need to make it have better curb appeal. We'll add some shutters, window boxes, give you a new front door, add a little portico, clean up the landscaping, but really just make it welcoming and charming so that from the moment they get out of their car, they're just ready to meet their future dog or cat.
Oh, that sounds great.
All right, let's go inside.
This is our lobby area.
Kitty, kitty. Hi.
That's Lilo. Everywhere there's animals.
I love the mural on the front.
Well, that means a lot. My daughter-in-law free-handed that.
No way.
Wow.
She's very talented. It's beautiful. So this is where people come in and they want to adopt a pet.
Yes. It would be nice to have it freshened up a little bit.
And I feel like the benches could use an update as well.
Yes. And where we have all our books that we use on a daily basis. It'd just be nice if it were covered.
Would it be helpful to have more storage across?
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Obviously, it needs to be able to be clean, but it doesn't need to feel sterile. So one thing we will definitely do is keep the mural that your daughter-in-law made, because that's
Oh, we
very
appreciate that.
special. And then we'll give you more storage, new countertops, new lighting, and we'll give you some new modern benches. You want the first impression to be welcoming and beautiful, but we also need it to be very functional for you and the staff and the animals.
That sounds
Sound
great.
good? All right, so then in here,
This is our kitchen
this is
Okay.
for you and the staff.
and animals.
And animals, of course.
So maybe just the same here that we're doing out in the office and make it look nice and new.
Okay, so in here, we can give you new cabinets, countertops, new fridge, update the lighting, just really make this a beautiful space that you and the staff and the volunteers can use. And then also it's functional for everything that you need for the animals.
Sounds amazing.
All right.
All right.
We have a little cat room right over here if you want to see that. We use it for kittens so that we can keep them away from the other cats.
Well, hi guys. So what do you need in here?
A little more play area for them. They do need the exercise.
Oh, hi,
There is
baby.
Juniper. They do get let
Oh.
out of the cage, so
Yes.
they do get to
Okay.
run around a little bit.
That'd be fun. Do some cat towers.
Yeah.
I like that. And then update this entire space. So it feels like an extension of what we're doing out front. But most importantly, give the kittens some fun space to play.
That sounds great.
Okay, so what's next? Should we go over to the next building?
Yes. This is our dog kennels. We do have the dogs moved to a different area right now.
Okay.
With the way the fencing is, they can be right in each other's ears, barking at each other. What we were wanting was some separation where animals cannot be in direct contact with each other.
Okay.
Right. So your preference then is get the block high or plexiglass, just something that's solid.
Sounds good.
So the floor obviously is concrete, which is probably ideal for washing down and all of
Yes.
that. What if we did an epoxy finish to make it look pretty?
A little brighter.
Okay, so in here, we will spruce up the floor, we'll paint to make this really bright and cheery, and then most importantly, make these dog runs safer. So we'll raise the block and maybe add plexiglass that will help to keep the dogs safe while they're in their kennel. So what's your timeline?
The holidays are big times for adoptions, so as quickly as possible.
Yeah, okay.
I just cannot believe that you're coming to do this. We cannot thank you enough.
We cannot wait. And right now we've got to leave because otherwise we're taking a bunch of animals home.
So you're staying longer.
Yeah.
This is definitely not a small renovation, but this is something special, something for the holidays that we get to do for animals. I mean, they love you unconditionally. And so we are gonna pull as many favors as we can. We're gonna call everyone we know. We're gonna use all the extra supplies we have to make this thing come together. I mean, this is for the animals. This is for the amazing people that work here. I mean, it's really just to make this animal shelter great. We've been able to secure some funding to purchase supplies, and a lot of the folks are chipping in their labor and talent to help us out. I want people to walk up to this animal shelter and see a beautiful, welcoming building, and then go adopt a pet.
And in the dog kennel, we're gonna give the animals a higher block wall. We're making them around 4 feet tall to provide safety for the dogs. And we're creating a slat wall around the space where the dogs get dropped off. Doesn't change the way that they actually function, but it just helps to make them a little more welcoming and cute. For the sealed storage that the shelter desperately needs, we were able to get a great deal in a shipping container. And I have a fun idea for something we can do to really make it stand out. Kenya, as we discussed on the phone, the shelter needed storage. We got this giant shipping container, but now we have a problem. When you drive in, this is gonna be what everyone sees. We need to add some color, some life.
You know, I was thinking about some ideas. So I have one here. You wanna see it?
Oh, absolutely. I love that.
We'll fill in their portraits so they'll actually, you know, have color to them too. So the concept is the puzzle pieces really signify this place has the missing piece to a family who's coming to find.
I love that.
Right? It's the missing piece of the puzzle.
I get goosebumps thinking like they'll be meeting their future pet and looking at your art.
Yeah, that'll be great. At the animal shelter, everything is coming together so nicely. The cabinet hardware is going on the newly painted cabinets.
Hey, babe. Got the light for the hallway.
All the lights are being installed.
And we're doing an ombre paint technique on the dog runs. We're gonna go with different shades of blue. And fun fact, blue is actually a very dog-friendly color. It makes them happy.
So they love my eyes, and dog
They
looks
do.
into my eyes.
Yeah, it's true. So I sent you the logo of the animal shelter.
Yes. So this is where I started.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
You said you wanted the whole sign to be about 2 feet by 3 feet. But I think what I'd like to do is acrylic.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
Yeah, acrylic's really durable.
It'll hold up really well outdoors, too.
Yeah. We'll do their colors. We'll do the green for the house, black for the letters, and red acrylic for the heart. And we'll float that acrylic above a nice wood background. What do you think?
I love it.
That's
I
awesome.
love it.
This sign is not just gonna be any ordinary sign. It is going to be unique, it's gonna have color, and people are gonna notice it. Oh, I love it.
This is my local shelter. They're right down the street.
Yeah.
I have to contribute.
Well, thank you. We appreciate it. And I know they will too. This is amazing.
We have the holidays right around the corner. We have an adoption campaign that's gonna happen when we release this thing back to Lori and her staff. But we got a lot of stuff to finish up.
Custom wallpaper is going up on the wall in the cat room. This wallpaper is hand painted by Lori's daughter-in-law, and I think it looks amazing. Where else can you put cats on the wall but in a cat room?
We've added some sunshades to the meet and greet area to help keep it cool, and we're freshening up the landscaping.
Okay, can you take this red pillow?
Sorry, I thought-
No, you're good. Look at this guy. He's so happy. Good boy.
Seeing this renovation come together,
I think it's ready.
I mean, what a great experience that so many in our community came together to make this a special place. We were able to do over $100,000 worth of improvements to this animal shelter that will provide a positive impact for not only the animals, but the workers that give their time to be here every day.
And the volunteers. And so for us to be able to make sure that they have a place where they can serve that's fun and pretty and welcoming, that's really important. So pretty.
I love
Aw, it's
Christmas
pretty.
lights.
No, looks really good. All right, let's go home.
Let's go.
So we can come back and get some dogs adopted
Get some dogs adopted.
by us.
Nothing in there is
one.
meant by us.
We're gonna end up with a puppy. So today, it's finally time to hand the animal shelter back over to Lori and her team.
Yep.
And we are gonna have a big adoption event.
So excited because we have got Christmas right around the corner. Let's get this place open.
Oh my gosh, is that them?
That's them.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's
Look
so
at
pretty.
that.
It is adorable.
Hello.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
How are
Good
you?
to see you again.
You too.
It looks amazing.
This looks awesome.
This is like an adorable little cottage now.
Yes.
We didn't paint because you have your siding that you never have to paint, but we did clean it. And then we also added this portico to protect people from the weather.
Yes, absolutely. That changes the look so much.
I love the front porch.
We really wanted this to be just a beautiful place that people come and think, oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I'm so happy while I'm here. I have to find a dog or a cat.
I love that sign.
We had a good friend, Joel, who loves the animal shelter. He actually cut that out of colored acrylic. You'll never have to paint it, touch it up, anything.
And then we also added this slat wall around the area for the dogs to be dropped off to make it more inviting.
That is just such an improvement.
Yeah, go
This
on
is
after
the
you.
exciting
This
part.
is it, this is it.
Been waiting for this. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. Everything is just darling. It's so cute.
Oh,
We already have a resident.
love it.
Well, you guys have done such a nice job in here.
Oh, thank you.
Cute. Oh, this is wonderful.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
So again, just lots of storage, lots of counter space. I know you guys just need to store everything in a nice big fridge and freezer.
This is beautiful. It's a wonderful workplace, and I think everybody that's involved with the shelter is going to really enjoy it.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love the wallpaper. Oh, that's adorable. Do you recognize this art?
I do believe I do. My daughter-in-law.
Uh-huh.
That makes it all the more special.
I just love this wallpaper. It's so just fun and happy. Perfect for this room.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
And look at the cute little ramp
Oh
for them to play.
You know, I built something that was up high that would be fun for the cats and kittens to hang off of, but we wanted something that didn't take away any of the floor space.
Right.
We took a cedar tree so the cats can climb up it. It'll smell nice.
Scratch it.
Scratch it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
The cats are gonna love this.
yeah.
They're,
Yeah.
they're gonna love it.
I've got plenty that can test it out whenever you need it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
It looks amazing.
Very nice.
Oh, the
I
pictures
love
look
the pictures.
awesome.
We did have to include our Dora.
Awesome.
If you see all the way down, we did an ombre paint. The colors shift, so we start light and then we go all the way to dark blue. So it's just little, little
it
touch.
does.
Yeah, so it's kind of fun when you walk in. You're like, okay, it's so fun. Yeah. And we read that blue is a calming color for animals. We brought up the cinder block higher. We have the plexiglass to keep them
that's
safe.
great. It's such an improvement. It's a nice place for the animals to stay while they're in our care
Yeah.
Yeah.
until
what
we
we
find
wanted.
their forever homes. So it's wonderful. Thank you.
Yes. Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, this is huge.
Oh my gosh. This
Oh,
will be
my.
fabulous.
And it's larger than what we had.
Right.
So much larger.
Yeah.
That makes a big difference.
It does. Yeah, it still is enclosed with this horizontal fence, but it doesn't feel claustrophobic. It
Yeah.
just feels cozy.
I can't tell you how much this is gonna mean for animals spending time with prospective adopters and they're getting to see their true personalities.
Exactly.
You guys listened to what we were needing and put such personal touches in it, and doing this just out of the goodness of your hearts for the shelter. Again, I will tell you, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Oh,
You're
so
very
sweet.
welcome.
We really appreciate it.
Yes.
You're so
very much
welcome.
so.